Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to understand IRS Form 1095A, also known as the Health Insurance Marketplace Statement. So this form is very important if you got your health insurance through the marketplace. It helps you report your coverage and calculate your premium tax credit when you file your taxes. So let's go through it step by step. So first, at the top of the form, you'll see basic information. So this includes the marketplace identifier, your policy number, and the insurance company's name. You'll also find personal details like your name, social security number, and address. So just make sure that everything here is correct. Next is part 2, which lists the covered individuals. So this section shows you who in your household was covered under the plan, along with their coverage start and end dates. So check that all names and dates that match your actual coverage. Then we move to part 3, which is the most important section for your taxes. So this part shows monthly details. Column A lists your monthly premium. Column B shows the second lowest cost silver plan, and column C shows any advance payments of the premium tax credit. So these numbers are what you'll see when filling out your tax return, especially if you need to reconcile your premium tax credit. So at the bottom, you'll see totals for the whole year. So these totals help summarize everything and make it easier when transferring the information to your tax forms. And if anything looks incorrect, it's very important to contact the marketplace before filing your taxes so that you can get a corrected form. And that is it. That's a simple walkthrough of Form 1095A and how to read it. Thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below, and I'll see you on the next video.